About this item, iMah B1-5 BT262342/BT262342 2.4V 300mAh NiMH battery pack. Also replace of the original cordless phone battery pack BT183342/BT283342 BT262342/BT262342 2SN AAA 40HSX2 overvoltage, overcurrent, overcharge, short circuit protection. Best wire length for the space. Come with two iMah B1-5 BT262342/BT262342 2.4V 300mAh NiMH battery packs. Save money instead of purchasing new cordless telephone handsets compatible with AT&T DECT 6.0 cordless telephone models lists. CL80100, CL81100, CL81200, CL81300, CL82100, CL82200, CL82250, CL82300, CL82350, CL82400, CL82450, CL82600, CL84100, CL84200, CL84250, CL84300, CL84100, CL84200, CL84250, CL84300, CRL32102, CRL32202, CRL32302, CRL32352, CRL32452, L51200,